Hi, this is Dr. George Rogu from RBK Pediatrics. I'm recording this video to announce to all of our RBK families what we are doing at RBK to protect the staff and, more importantly, the patients. When we walk into our office, we will find that all the rooms have the blue flags. That alerts us that those rooms were cleaned appropriately. And if we come into room number 8, you'll find Doris hard at work, cleaning up all the rooms with Lysol, with disinfectants. The baby tables are cleaned, the examination tables are cleaned, the handrails are cleaned, the computer tables are cleaned, our equipment is all cleaned. We are doing well visits only in the morning with absolutely no sick visits, and in the afternoon we are doing only sick visits. In between, if we need to have a telemedicine visit with you, we are also performing that. So remember that RBK Pediatrics is here during this tough time. We've been here since 1962 and we will continue to carry on. Thanks a lot.